welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the Wide-Grip Lat Pulldown. To perform the Wide-Grip Lat Pulldown, grasp the Lat Pulldown bar with a closed, pronated grip. If the Lat Pulldown bar has a bend toward the ends, a common grip is to place the hand on the outside bends of the bar. If you are using a straight bar, use a grip that is wider than shoulder width and spaced evenly on the bar. Your elbows should be fully extended and the weight stack that is being lifted should be suspended above the remainder of the weight stack. Sit down and lean slightly backward on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. If you are performing this exercise on a lat pull-down machine with a seat attachment, sit down facing the weight stack and place your thighs under the thigh pads and your feet flat on the floor. Pull the bar until it makes slight contact with your upper chest area. This will be your starting position. Inhale as you guide the bar slowly and under control back up to the starting position while maintaining the same backward torso lean and lower body position. Your elbows should be fully extended at the end of the upward movement. Exhale as you pull the bar down to the upper chest area. Your elbows should move down and back and your chest up and out as the bar is lowered while maintaining the same backward torso lean and lower body position. At the completion of the set, stand up slowly and guide the bar under control to its resting position. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.